In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Hytale the right way. Like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, open any web browser and search for Hytale Download. Click the official hytale.com website. From here, select Download Launcher and download the Hytale launcher for Windows. Open the installer, click Next, then Install, and wait for it to finish. Once the launcher opens, sign in or create a Hytale account. You can sign in with Google, Discord, or register with an email. After logging in, click Pre-Purchase to buy the game. There are 3 editions. The Standard Edition is the cheapest and gives you full access to the game. The Supporter Edition includes bonus cosmetics and extras, and the Cursebreaker Edition is the premium version with the most rewards. You can pay using a credit card, PayPal, or even crypto. Once the purchase is complete, go back to the launcher and click Install. Wait for the download to finish, then launch the game and start playing. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.